Hello mga ka-YouTube channel, nagbabalik si Nose the Wild Twisters para ipakita ko sa inyo kung bakit hindi na monetize ang aking YouTube channel. So, ang nakaraang araw is nagpalabas sila ng bagong rules na may mga inanagdag silang program or updated kagaya ng analytics at saka yung copyright. Oo, yung copyright strike. So, ang inyong lingkod po ay na copyright strike and then nalabag ko rin ang aking mga videos na mostly ay against the YouTube policies at against the community strike. So, tingnan natin kung bakit hindi ma-monetize ang iyong mga video. So, nag-analytics. Punta tayo sa analytics. May mga isisend sila dyan na mga messages. Punta tayo sa channel. So, punta tayo sa channel. Oh, see? I have guidelines. So, oh yeah. Ito. Warning. So, first time is bibigyan ka ng warning. So, it means that if mabigyan ka ng warning, so, just makaka-upload ka pa rin ng videos like life goes on. Like, you can upload several videos or a comment section. But then, after warning is strike. So, if you get one strike in your YouTube channel, so it seems that there are so many reasons. They're gonna put the reasons why kung bakit nalabag ang iyong channel sa mga paglabag sa YouTube policies. So number one is the violation of YouTube's policy on nudity and sexual content. So bawal yan. So ang first warning ko is that was given by July. And then, June 28, pinadalahan ako ng message. They sent me a message warning, telling me that one of my video committed the violation, which is against the YouTube policy. So, I acknowledged it in June 28, and then na-expire naman siya until September 26 pa. So, from that time, you cannot download, you cannot apply for monetization, so you have to wait until September 26. The second one is strike. So dito na parang when it comes to strike is something like nakakabagabag na to. It's alarming because it's like twice you get it. And then I acknowledge it in July 4. So my expiration is September 28. So you have to apply the YouTube monetization after September 28. So that's 8. Not enable the monetization. Ineligible for channel membership. And yeah. So what you're gonna do is you have to delete those videos. And then you have to wait until like 2 months. So June, July, August. June, July, August. So 3 months for that strike to be waived. Yes. And then papadalan ka nilang message if whatever happens to your channel, like we cannot monetize your channel because of this violation on all this stuff. And yeah, it hurts me because I can't upload, I can upload videos, and I have no money at all because I just started, and then I just got a strike, and I got a violation also, and the copyright content is not really good for my channel. So paalala ko lang sa inyo, if you want to blog, you should make like your content, the videos on it, more valuable, meaning the video should be like your own, it's original, with may originality ang content niya, at saka more about education. So nag-educate ka ng isang topic on how to do this, how to do that. It's like tutorial. So you have to take 5 minutes tutorial to make views on it, and it doesn't need to be like you are so very good in editing and video editing. No, hindi naman siya nangangahulugang magaling ka sa pag-video edit. So, kailangan mo lang ng courage and determination on how to handle these things. So, because I was not monetized, so I have to wait like September 26 to apply my channel. And I have to upload more videos, which is good content. Good content meaning original content na hindi nilalabag ang mga YouTube policies and the copy strikes, and especially the community guidelines. So community guidelines, check. YouTube policy, check. And monetization with 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 hours, or meaning 220,000 minutes of viewing time. And of course, yung mga copyright strike, yung mga content, ng mga nudity, ng mga palisiyan ni YouTube na yung mga nudity, yung mga sexual arousal or everything, it's bawal. So it's prohibited. So yun lang masasabi ko, just you have to make sure like your channel goes into YouTube policies and community guidelines so that you will get approved. And of course, the 1,000 subscriber and the 240,000 minutes of viewing time. That's it. So if you like this video, if nakatulong to, you just share it to the social media. Or if you want to see I have a strike for channel violation. So the copy strikes. So what do you mean by copy strikes? So hindi mo yun original content. So the content is about copyright strikes. If you're looking for information about community strikes, you are different from copyright strikes. If you get a copyright strike, that means your video has been taken down from YouTube because a copyright owner sent us a complete and valid request asking us to do so. When a copyright owner formally notifies us that you don't have the permission to post your content on the site, we take down your upload to comply with the copyright law. Keep in mind that videos can be removed from the site for reason other than copyright. Also, the content ID claims don't result in a strike. Deleting a video with a strike won't resolve your strike. So, hindi nangahulugan i-delete mo, i-dissolve yun. Learn how to resolve copyright strike. So, ano mangyayari pag nagkaroon ka ng copyright strike? So, we get mistakes. So, if we get a copyright strike, nagkakaroon siya ng warning. However, if the copyright strikes may affect your ability to monetize, so nakaka-apekto siya para ma-delay ang monetization ng video mo. In addition, if your live stream or live stream is removed for copyright, your access to live stream will be restricted for 90 days. That's what I'm saying. I was restricted for 90 days. So all of these uploaded in your account will be removed. You cannot create new channels. So that was I'm doing. And the courtesy period is like if your channel is in the YouTube program, you're eligible for a 7-day courtesy after 3 copyright strikes. So, pagtapos ng 3 strikes, disabled na talaga ang channel. So, sa ganitong period, ang copyright strike won't expire and you won't able to upload new videos. So, what I'm saying is that, yung nangyari nga sa akin, right? So, it was like, I accept it, the strike for like July, and then they have to waive it. I have to wait until September 26, 2019. Wow, it's like 3 months. So, if you get information about your strike, mag-login lang sa YouTube Studio, from the left, going to the videos, i-click mo ang down, then may copyright doon. So, makikita mo yung respective video mo na under sa monetization column, if available. You find this option under the visibility. So, click copyright, view copyright claim details. But in my case, I just deleted everything. So, that's it. For nudity, YouTube policy naman is you don't have to create a content which has nakakaudyok sa kanilang sexual arousal or nag-expose sa kanilang mga genitals, mga titi or whatever, mabilat. And also like to arouse, like the video which is like showing nakedness. So bawal yun. So that's it. And I hope that you will learn something from me now on how to get approval on the monetization of your videos. So ingat-ingat lang po tayo because YouTube has strike all the policies itself, like the YouTube policy and the community strikes, and also the copyright content ID strike. So that's it, and I hope you're gonna watch this video, learn, and share it. Thank you.